Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Shillery. This is the Bitcoin quick take. So we're continuing to trend lower here, and as you can see, we're back at around the 29,000 mark, 29,200 mark, I should say. This has been a key level before on the way up. It's been a key level on the way down when we flash nuked from the highs here, I should say. We ricocheted back up, chopped around for a bit in this area, and then came down again. We tested this level again. Bounce, but obviously the bounce was a lot less forceful than the previous bounce, and now we are once again back down at this level. So what this tells us is that we can essentially expect price to continue lower. It doesn't look like there can be a bounce yet, and I am expecting the price to come down below this level here. I should probably just put a line here so it's straight. So yeah, I think that around the 27,000 mark at the highest. I think as low as 24,000 can be realistic though. That's really, I mean, there's no real, I just cannot see price bouncing from here. So chucking on the Elliott wave count, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 down here, then what we can expect from these levels is a bounce back up to the 38.2, maybe the 50, maybe even the 61.8, you know, that's from if we were to go down to, let's just say 27,000 for example, that could be, you know, a nice 50% move up to the range highs up here at this prior wave 4. So yeah, and then from there, basically, whether we you know, whether we just continue on and make new highs from there, or whether we chop about a bit for a little while longer until the end of the year perhaps, and then we start to sort of go up again. That's yet to be seen, but that has happened in the past where we've, you know, come down, we've flash nuked down, we've had a bounce, and then we just chopped around for a bit before actually returning to the next bull market. That's how markets go. So look, flipping to the macro on Bitcoin. So this back here is 2017. I'll just zoom in here very quickly so you can see. So we obviously had a huge run up, the 2017 run, and then we chopped around, we bounced around, but trended lower the entire time. This took roughly 368 days. So starting from the flash nuke in March 2020, the COVID crash, this entire bull run took 397 days. So if we were to basically assume that this corrective move, which we're now in, can last the same period of time or thereabouts as the bull run, 397 days is what it might take. So if that was the case, then that could take us up to 2022 May. Now, obviously, we don't know that. It's just hypothetical at this point in time. I do think we're going to get a bounce before then. As mentioned, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I think we can bounce and then maybe come back down, chop around, and then go up again, something like that. Just my musings at the moment, but I think we are close to a bounce once we sweep these lows at you know, around the 27,000 mark. Yeah, I mean, I've just basically halved the number of days that this bull run took. Maybe the correction, you know, if this was a giant A wave down, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we bounce to B and then C again, then, you know, that could take potentially half the time, and then we start chopping around but moving up. Again, hypothetical, but just some of my thoughts at the moment, guys. Throughout this period, alts have been getting decimated. Ethereum, similar sort of thing. So, you know, if from the highs this was a giant A wave, and then we bounced for a B, and now we're sort of trending down lower for C, I do think we can be close to a bounce, but not just yet. We did sort of break below this support area here on the daily, and we're sort of coming back up now. So this is the support level here. We're coming back up now, and wouldn't be surprised to see it come up and basically test level and then get rejected again, because there's just no strength in the market right now. So I come back to around this level and then probably, you know, trend lower again. Targets, yeah, so was looking at this 1804 level, also looking at this 1577 level, and also the 1421 level. And as with Bitcoin, once we do this ABC down, I do think we can get a bounce. If we do sort of terminate this C here, then we could potentially bounce to the 38.2, maybe the 50 fib as well. If we were to bounce from there to the 38.2, again, that's an 80% move. To the 50 fib, 105% move. Maybe we'll even continue, back to the, making all-time highs from here. But it's don't know at this point in time. Just my my musings really. So, but I think we will get a minimum 3-wave move bounce. And that can obviously provide some nice entries, some nice gains if paying attention to the price action around these levels. So yeah, look, it's not great at the moment overall, but when the market's tough, that's when a lot of the gains, that's when you set yourself up to make the gains in the bull run. So it's a lot of people switch off and disconnect and do something else, and that's always good to have a balance, but those that pay attention and those that keep an eye on price whilst it's going down, and you can snipe those bottom entries and then ride it all the way up. That's when the life-changing money can be made. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on for now, guys, and speak to you in the next episode. Thanks, bye.